Hello everyone, this is my code and I have three games: Blackjack, Connect 4 and Falling Asteroid. For Connect 4, all you have to do is try to get 4. You press shift onto the board, into the board, and you try to get 4 in a row. So if I can get 4 in a row vertically here, I win. And you can get 4 in a row vertically, horizontally, or diagonally, like this, like that. And for the game Falling Asteroid, it's a pie game where you try to you move left with left arrow and move right with right arrow, and you try to dodge the asteroid like that, and the point go up when you dodge, and the speed of the asteroid go up, so it's harder to dodge. And if I get hit, the game is over and the score is recorded. If it's a high score, it will be it will write into the file, this file. So for blackjack, I have the class blackjack with the attribute deck, hand, comp hand, player value, and comp value, and the setter and getter. And for the depth, I have create decks to create the deck, shuffle to shuffle the deck, drawing for drawing the card from the deck to the hand, and then removing those cards from the deck, so we don't get duplicate. This one is for calculating the hand. So if there's like an ace and a 9 here, it's 11 plus 9, so it will be 20. This one is for checking blackjack. If your hand value is 21, it will return true, or else it will return false. This one is for displaying the cards with like their logo. This is the logo. So if you go here, you go to blackjack, you will display this logo too with the hand. And for Connect 4, I have the class Connect with the attribute game over, player, winner, and the board, with which I use numpy, SNP, and I make a board 6x7 here that is full of 0. I have this function here to display the board to make it look like this. This function is for checking if the specific spot, this spot is valid and can be put. If it's true, then the place will be the chip will be placed like there or something. This one is for checking if the column is taken or row or example like this three column is taken, so it will be right here where it will be put next. This function is for placing the the chip from each player, so O and X I place. This one is for checking the win for vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. For Falling Asteroid, I have the class background with the BJX and the BG, and I have the class ship with the attribute speed, X, Y, image, speed, multiply, and hitbox, where the hitbox I have to make it up to and test it out to get the like a good value for when it collision with the asteroid. This one is a class asteroid with the image, speed, the X and Y of the asteroid, and the hitbox, where I have to test and play around with it too. This is just color, and this is where I load the image from the image file. Image file here. This is for timer, and this is function for score. This is a function for drawing the score text, and this is function for just drawing text, and this is a function for when the asteroid hit and the game over screen text will come up on the screen. This is the function for drawing it, and then this function is for quitting the game. This function is the main function for playing the whole game. I create the object here and then make the background, set the object, and do the event when you press the keys, so the X will change, the ship X will change. This is the asteroid speed. I check for boundaries here. If you go too much to the left or right, it will stop moving. And this one is when the object leaves the screen, it will come back up, it will reset, it will spawn a new one. And this one is for checking collision. If it hit, the game is over, big game over come up, and I return the score, so I can use that score. And for things that I do is that for blackjack, you can wage, you can bet. I can bet 300 here. Oh wait, let me see my profile first. My profile I have 1,300. If I go to this and I bet 300, and I don't know, I lose. I show profile, I lose 300, and the play and the thing goes up. And I think I also have, if I go in again and the value here, the text is updated. This is the value now. It will remember this. So if I go to, oops, sorry, if I go to player and then put my name, Gene here, and I show profile, this will be the value from the latest data. And I can quit here. And for admin, I can add new player, so I can put in name, and if I go click, if I choose show player, it will show all the available player with the latest. This one is the latest, you see, latest, and also the new player will be given the default balance and game stat. And I can add player balance, so if I put in me and I put in 1000, it will be updated. So if I quit and I come back in again as a player this time, I put in my name, I will now have 2000, as you can see, 2000 balance. And that is all. Thank you for watching and listening.